Aduku tigalluutautaaq montradis billassan tigalluatsi.
Revenge of the Savage Planet.
Tamanas pillingertatissuari qumilaanguamiuminga. 3.
That's it, yes! Okay, now we're cooking with gas. Let me scan the planet. Okay, so good news is that all of your equipment seems to have arrived safely. But the bad news is that the crates are scattered everywhere, which is weird. I currently have no idea how that could have happened. At least we've already located the supply crate containing a super useful electric whip and lasso. You'll need it if you ever hope to capture a creature or 7. So go get it!
Thank you. Qartorluusissualaria.
Nope, can't let you do that. We need to watch that video, or at least start it and then skip it.
Okay.
Multi-global. Yeah. Really great. Oh, piece of crap. Hello. This message is for all remaining Kindred employees that are still alive somewhere in the galaxy. I'm really sorry to call you out of the blue like this, okay? But I just felt like we hadn't been talking since the acquisition. For 3 centuries, I ran Kindred Aerospace. That's 300 years. And then those fools bought it, only to close it down. And now I don't know what to do with myself. I can't stand it. Retirement sucks. Alta Global, piece of company, suck my. Well, who do we have here? Gunter Harrison, you baboon! You may control the galaxy, but you can't control Martin Tweed. Come on. I can't take it anymore. Melinda! It's time to call Chew and Slim. I want to help you. All of you former Kindred employees who are lost out there somewhere in space. Stay tuned. I'll be in touch.
Cool.
His Excellency, the Shamalama, makes his unlimited celestial knowledge available to the public for the first time ever with his In Vogue Education Center, the Shamalama's Ding Dong Academy.
Thomas Sammy, Ding Dong!
With his exalted mission to mold the next generation of global influencers, the illustrious Shamalama has built a curriculum focused on self-importance and uncompromised exuberance.
You can see minds and release your spirit with what they think. Ding Dong!
Obtain a master's of things with stuff like Super Church, promo parkour, branding and footwear, and shoddy karate.
Your inclusion is an unequivocal Ding Dong Zero no-brainer.
Admission includes our required personally fitted Blabo Biaggi designer uniforms and glamping accommodations. Enroll now to enrich your life with easily the best learning you can get.
So dope. I learned a ton amount of stuff. I'm so pumped. I got straight B's. I can do whatever I want now. Or ding dong, do nothing. Whatever.
I am the Shamalama. I want you to be a ding dong too.
The Shamalama's Ding Dong Academy, a non-accredited pseudo-educational fashion exports church from Shamlam Corp. Located off the 12 freeway in Dolchump.
Participants are awarded a required irrevocable lifetime commitment to the Shamalama. Performed pottery may result in permanent injuries. Please consult an automated medical legal consultant before signing any indemnification agreements. Not available on Zagnor 22.
Another sang anh này mà để sửa đá ra đọc hạt bình nào ra sửa đá ya kỳ chả mê xin món đó chỉ mình nóng đẹp trong này đó thì mình nói đâu rồi lại đã cắt chứ rồi bam 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 mà sao mình luôn nắc siêu chơi đuôi sợ bố mình cho con được con nó chỉ chung bò tung này trong con nó chưa ngồi bị xịt ra cái lỗi lạc vì ở sòng tôm niếng này rắn cần nó đọc sạch kia mà water bye ready Doon aksan ito kasi sa karwa bunga không được sói ngon tapi kung ngomong yak dong. Bam 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 badam bam 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 badam. But it's hurting! That goes. Wow. Yep. ¿Dónde suena? the fuck happened? What? Ah.
Okay, we're approaching the location of the missing supply crate. It's right up there. The tree may be large, but I noticed some fungi clinging to its trunk. Let's check it out. Time to rehydrate that sad mushroom. Good job getting up here. But watch out, I'm picking up a lot of filth further up this stump. Power hose at the ready. Now to find a way up.
Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Meningaya kaki teku. Bam 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 bam.
What happened to this crate? It looks filthy. Please scan it before touching anything, just in case. All right, much better. Now you can open it safely, I think, but don't lick your hands afterwards. Why not try it out on those excitingly foul lumps over there?
Ooh la la! You don't fuss.
Okay, that's one piece of gear retrieved. So many more useful tools to go. That said, I haven't located more supply crates just yet, so I'll keep scanning the planet and let you know when I do. Remember, your new whip also doubles as a lasso. Give it a twirl. Let's go catch something. I found a creature that's not too threatening, or smart, or dangerous.
Teka lang. Matulog ko, pisa kayo na ko, suwan.
Looks like a plant that's anchored itself to the environment. With the right upgrade, maybe you could use your whip to grapple onto this. But I'm missing something. Keep exploring while I run a few simulations.
Ew! 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 Oj, fuck the fuck it. Mấy bật đua hả? Xử lý. Chỉ vật. Bum 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 bum.
That sucked. But analyzing the contents of the gas, I think they can manufacture a filtering process. However, you are missing a critical piece of gear that we'll need for this. A masked filter. But my sensors haven't picked up that specific crate signal since we arrived. So I guess we'll need to keep looking. Nice! That wasn't hard. Let's move on to something more challenging, shall we? Right this way!
Okay. Mà chứ bisa Pokemon new sa siyo nga. Mati marakanak siya na rusa. Okay, scan. ito ko kakayak dungon.
Great work! Impeccable technique. You're a pro already. Unfortunately, until you build a pen back at the base, those creatures are basically stuck in the void. Luckily, despite Alta abandoning the colony, the buildings are still up there in orbit. Let's call them down.
Ay, bisa ka ni Aro kinon. Siumtok. Sa ko kayong ngirati. Sivitel to nasaan yaksay ko nasarosak.
His Excellency, the Shamalama, makes his unlimited celestial knowledge available to the public for the first
Consult
time.
an automated medical legal consultant before signing any indemnification agreements. Not available on Zagnar 22.
Tintong, traité, calame. Bah. Cool. Piliyak tak figo na tako ni ko higa na kayo na. Oh, ni ko. Goodbye. Ing video kakanwa kasin na waka.
New colony buildings have landed and are ready for use. Well, some. Most are sad echoes of Aldo's broken promises now, but at least amongst them you will find a lovely research pen. Let's take a look inside.
I guess.
Remember, for every creature you capture, I can carefully dissect it, study it, then put it back together almost good as new. And I'm sure we can find some practical applications besides the pure joy of sciencing. All I need you to do is to press that button over there. Don't ask, just do it.
Why?
Excellent. You have activated the research pen. It's ready to dissect, discombobulate, and dismember creatures whenever we need it. So head to the Habitat's computer and pick a first candidate to study.
We shot. Sorry.
Looks like our work here has not gone unnoticed. We've just received an exciting email on your Habitat's computer. Looks like a possible side gig opportunity. A bunch of weird challenges that will give us new blueprints? Hell yeah, I'm up for that. Are you?
No.
All right, the research app is now ready to use. Let's take a look. Good. I will begin analysis. It might take a while, though. While we wait, why not tackle some of those challenges we just received? Check the list in your journal.
Taas ka na person na ba? Na?
Flavors are new.
All right, my research is complete. The first of many, I hope. That was fun. And the creature's almost exactly the way it was before. Okay, so I'm also done searching the planet for other supply crates, and it looks clean. But you will be either delighted or terrified to know that the rest of your gear is still in this star system, but on other planets. Which is the perfect opportunity to use the planet cannon currently waiting in our orbital warehouse. But before we can launch ourselves onward, the cannon needs calibrating and the data we need for that has crashed somewhere. I have a likely site, however. I'll mark its location on your compass now. Let's go! With our research pen up and running, we have an opportunity to make some custom gear. I think I can figure out how to build you a grapple. So all we need is to capture the right critter, right? For science! I've marked a promising area on your compass for some initial exploration.
Go! Location. Ayun na.
Damn it! The software we're looking for is close, but high above us. It looks like a dead end unless you can upgrade your gear to use that grapple point over there.
Goodbye! Naman na sila.
Well, this is more than a little creepy. Imagine all the settlers who are meant to arrive here soon who are no longer on their way. Alta built a city for no one.
No joke. Isa-umpisa kasi nangok pagki. Dude! Igajak! Persaro 이렇죠 sak. Spiser morsuttalers.
This is a nice spot. So scenic. A tranquil little marsh. Okay, the creature you need is nearby. Keep your eyes peeled and your visor clean. Oh, this one is angry, but that's a Hognork. Capture it! There it is! So big and juicy! Remember, you'll need to stagger it first before you can capture it.
Yep. How? Ah, I see. Sorry. Ah! Who's the good boy?
Excellent! Now we can put our research pen to good use. Head back to base and use the computer to access the research app. This crystal formation seems weak. It would probably shatter if hit by something with the same magnetic polarity and resonance. Do you see anything like that nearby? This particular crystal seems magnetic, and it has the perfect weight and shape to be thrown at stuff. Let's keep looking for your gear. I found in the cargo manifest that Alta thought of packing a tool for this insanely specific situation. What are the odds?
Kingang ladak po dan na umasukasik. Ang itching na kingang lak. Namisakikan. Tawa, pili soklong may pan. Wala nakakandil. Bum 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 bum. Home sweet home.
I don't want to alarm you, but I'm getting a very faint transmission from a nearby source. It doesn't seem to be Alto equipment, so I suggest you go check it out. It might be useful, or valuable, or dangerous. We won't know till we get there. My research begins! I promise to put the poor thing back together when I'm done. In a while. Quite a while. Give me some time.
Kineso-san. Bum.
Research complete! Head back to the habitat and open the 3D printer to see what I came up with. That's right! A grapple attachment! Your whip can now attach to those grapple blobs we've seen everywhere. Should give you access to all kinds of exciting and potentially dangerous areas. Okay, so, according to my projections, you now have everything you need to reach that missing software we'll need to calibrate the planet cannon. Let's go!
Canning.
His Excellency, the Shamalama, makes his unlimited celestial knowledge available to the public for the first time ever with his...
Sumungok.
Hey mate, this is Gunther Harrison, CEO of Alta Interglobal, if you didn't know. Just a quick call to check in and see how you're traveling. I know the redundancy announcement was rough and a bit impersonal, but I want you to know that if you get back to Earth, I am totally on your side. It's against Alta Company policy to promise you anything, but rest assured, it will be something, and that something will be fantastic. See you soon.
Ano ka pundok pinipilaksuta din sana ito sa anak mo. Yay! Kasudin! Yay! Kiwang ba? Yay! Kasudin! Mamam! Mama kira? Mamam! Mamam! Kisam. Bisa niyak saya doa kasi bitus dong. Nasudia susah si mengira ka. Ah, sí. Jesus!
I'm gonna have to interface with this data port to get the chest open. It'll take some time, and you'll need to stay nearby to keep the signal strong enough. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay, let's do this.
That it work.
Oh, it's going to be an old school hacking moment. Like in the good old days when computers were new. Remember that movie Swordfish? classic. This is like that, except with flying slugs and exploding critters.
Bum 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 bum.
Perfect! I did it! Actually, I did it 30 seconds ago, but I wanted to add a little more tension to the moment. Chest is now unlocked. You're welcome. Bingo! That is indeed the piece of software we were looking for. Uploading it now. And done. The planet cannon stored in our orbital warehouse should now be properly calibrated on arrival, allowing us to reach other planets in this system. Exciting! Speaking of which, it's time to call it down to the surface. And while we're at it, we may as well add another research pen that fits the climate of our next destination. Hot and arid is in our future. Wait, what's that? Something's wrong. Ah! Someone has hacked into your Habitat PC and left behind a message? Okay, well, I recommend heading back to watch it. What if it's ransomware, or a worm, or spyware?
Hacking and danger. Huh. Shut up, Rabbi. Sorry. What's up? How are you today? Hacking! Where are you going? Maybe here. Okay.
Please forgive this intrusion, but by now you must be wondering how you ended up in this state. Why did Alta bar you? How did you end up in this lost corner of the universe? How did your gear end up strewn across the planet? And while I cannot answer all these questions, in the end, I will answer some. I too have been wronged by Alta. I too have been forced to find purpose on a strange alien world. So come and find me, new friend. This is a mystery we will solve together. Ah, crap!
Hey, caveman!
Well, that was strangely ominous. I presume whoever it was will get back in contact when it's appropriate.
Alpha. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
If you can't wait any longer to leave this lush and humid planet to explore the rest of the star system, then just head to the perfectly calibrated planet cannon and load yourself in. A marvel of engineering ready to launch you off planet at a moment's notice. Efficiently, probably painlessly, and impressively forcefully.
Sana taxi sa kauto medan na spille. Slår taxi sanil. Nama asam kakti siya na siya tokoru. 세상의 부실린 지역.
This is more what I expect in a distant alien world. Empty, arid, desolate. Everywhere else we've been has been a bustling alien paradise. Hopefully this one isn't a bust. Fortunately for you, it seems your next upgrade is just over that dune in the direction of those huge rocks.
Okay.
Jumping Jehoshaphat! What in the name of the great algorithm was that? Okay, so good news, bad news. Bad news is your upgrade is gone. Good news is it seems to just be moving rapidly away from you. Mixed news is that I have no idea how or why. Nevertheless, I will mark its new location on your compass.
시어를 고력다 날아가라고 미실이 딱 쓴다. 와.
Hello? Hello! This is Martin Tweed. I have found a way to chat with you directly. Magnificent! I thought that you could maybe help me with an issue I have found myself confronting. I believe our former employer, Alta Interglobal, has been involved in some seriously dodgy activities. And I believe the evidence is somewhere down there on the planets in your current star system. If you could keep an eye out for them, I will reward you handsomely. Thanks!
으쌰. 미실이 딴 약동안 우리 가가일? 이시
Sweet, slippery, highly flammable goo. Hey, I found a way to upgrade your power hose to extract the juice from some of these weird plants. You just need to find me a few needed components. I'm marking their location on your compass.
심ngô shoot. 이랬지 신나가 비자가 나올 수 없까? 아خير تشتيشات. Okay.
That did it! The teleporter is ready to be activated. The chest is free. Now to liberate its contents. This mushroom seems connected through those long, fibrous tentacles. Maybe you could jolt it alive somehow.
Jak zapisał ja. Ew. Tøkkebanderarokpaksauto. Long run.
Another Kindex milestone! I've uploaded a fresh blueprint that will auto-tag any supply crates you find when you survey an area to let you easily find them again later on your map. Hooray for scanning!
Hooray! Bitch! Scanny. Shoot. Doksaava kapisudiarungit. Taamaattussaamata minnaungittu minaanertaalaqpuasit. Qunassinarnum pisinarlorsimassattamasibai tullamtakus. Bye bye.